Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to publish your FlutterFlow app on the Google Play Store. First, open the app you created on FlutterFlow. Look at the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon. This will open your settings. Next, find the mobile deployment option and click on it. At this point, you will see that deploying your app requires an upgraded plan. Upgrade your plan so that you can continue with the deployment process. Once your plan is upgraded, you will need a Google Play developer account. This account gives you the necessary privileges to upload and publish private apps. Follow the steps to register for a developer account. There is a one-time registration fee for the account. After registering, you will have administrator privileges that allow you to publish apps on Managed Google Play. For private apps, you need to set them so they are only available to users in your organization. You can also make them easier to find for the users. If you are hosting the app yourself instead of Google, you will need to adjust the settings accordingly. To upload your app, you only need the Android App Bundle or APK file from FlutterFlow and a title for your app. Enter the app title and upload the file you downloaded from FlutterFlow. After uploading, check all the settings to make sure your app is only available to the intended users. Once everything is set correctly, you can publish the app. Your private app will now be available to users in your organization through Managed Google Play. Thanks for watching.